ko, nandito na kami sa Cambodia. Tapos sobrang tahimik dito. Walang aeroplano, isa lang. Yung sa atin lang.
Konti.
Ang konti lang pala ng dito. Tapos ang ganda ng airport nila, parang pa-temple din. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pala dito. Pero kasi usually, di ba, ang mga tao ng Vietnam muna and then Cambodia. Kasi kami Cambodia and then Vietnam. So, ang ganda rin pala. Fairness, try namin yung pocket wifi na namin na nirentahan namin. So, go na base, connect ka na. Ay, sabi, di ba long press?
Guys, haggard na ako. Pero okay lang kasi worth it naman pumunta dito sa Cambodia. Ang ganda. Punta din kayo.
Kailangan nakikita ka. Puro pagmumukha ko lang yung nakikita.
Lagi kong isisingit si Bessie, wala siyang magagawa. Dahil kaming dalawa lang magkasama. Si Bessie. Siya talaga po nung abala pag nagta-travel kami. Ako lang. Musunod lang. May dollar kami, papapalit kami ng currency. Kasi wala sa airport. Sa baggage pala pupunta si Bessie. Nakalimutan ko na may dala pa pala kaming isa. Yung luggage ko. Diba? Nag-iisa lang siya. Fairness, ganda ng CR dito ah. Bongga. Malinis. Nakikita na si Bessie na may Grab pala dito. So, cash. Magtatanong-tanong kami kung paano pupunta sa sa hotel namin.
But not heavy, just 1 hour. How long you stay in Phnom Penh?
In Siem Reap?
No, Phnom Penh.
No, we're not
stay there.
sitting yet.
Oh, just waiting here.
Here.
And then we come to stay here. How long then?
Yeah. Until Monday only.
Until Monday, yeah?
Yes.
Only 3 nights, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
We will try that.
And also fish or chicken.
Fish or chicken.
And curry also.
Curry.
Yeah, and Cambodian noodle with chicken curry.
Cambodia.
Spicy, not too much spicy.
Yeah.
But Cambodian not same in Thailand. But the food they depend on people order medium or spicy and not spicy. But Thailand all the food is spicy.
Spicy here, no.
No, depend on people order.
We are excited to try the Cambodian.
Yeah.
The Cambodian people speak English all?
Yeah.
Nice.
80% they can speak English.
Nice.
Because in the government school and private school, the English.
Yeah.
We have the Chinese school, but it's not people that don't like. We have some, but only for Chinese or Cambodia go to study. But the real local people, they don't want to.
Yeah.
Only English is easy to find the work and job.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk and start early, that not so hot. Because someday, midday, maybe 42 or 40. You can decide when you ride to hotel. If you start early, so sometimes you cannot contact because I'm not living in the city, and I'm living outside of Siem Reap. Sometimes no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
Yeah, no Wi-Fi in my house.
But there's no signal in your phone.
Yeah, and sometimes we don't have money. You cannot contact. Yeah, in my phone, you know.
Why?
Because sometimes if I change money, okay, but when my phone no money, cannot contact. Because sometimes no service.
Yeah.
Yeah. You party.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the hotel, but closed. No.
Why closed now?
No tourists. Because before COVID, a lot of China's people group, they come by group.
Yeah.
But now I think I don't know what happened. Then not China people come to.
From Kluk.
Yeah.
The group tourists.
Yeah.
But now none.
No, none. Also like left side, right side, the hotel.
Yeah.
For interesting with the Chinese group stay here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Full, eh?
Eightfold.
Yeah, full U-Bahn.
Yeah.
U-Bahn.
Yan. Yan na kami. Fairness, ang ganda. Harap pa lang. Yan na kami sa hotel namin. Ang ganda dito, mga kasingko. Super.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Binigyan kami ng something. Ano kaya yun?
Banana and food water.
Ayan. Banana chips, tsaka drinks. Grabe ang accommodating dito. Ang friendly ng mga people. So, try natin kung ano. Free something. Ay, ang sarap. Fresh na dalandan na parang lemonade.
Talaga?
Ang refreshing din. Try mo. Tapos try din natin kung banana chips. Sarap. Banana chips na hindi matamis. Walang flavor. Try mo na iyo, Becky.
And they'll charge the center will come to pick you up.
We're still not yet sure. Does the hotel have airport service?
Yes,
You
and
offer?
we have the transportation.
When?
Yes, it's open around 12 p.m.
12 p.m. until midnight also. So, ayan, ina-explain lang ni Lily yung ano.
Now you would like to do like at our coffee shop or you can take a plane first.
Sorry?
Now you like to go to the like at our coffee
Ang ganda niya, di ba?
right now I
Ang ganda, di ba? Ay, oo nga. May mga kwarto na may mga direct access sa pool. Bongga. Beshi, may mga kwarto na direct sa pool. Pero yung pinakamahal siguro yun, no?
Siguro.
Ang ganda. Siyempre, nagpo-photograph yung best friend ko. Ang bongga nito, oh. May direct access sila sa pool, pero mas mahal siyempre. Yung mga kwarto na ganyan. Ang ganda. Hindi ako makapag-move on din. Chine-check pa lang namin ni Vessi yung amenities nitong hotel namin. Grabe, ang ganda.